Imagine reaching into a dusty jar, an old wooden drawer, or a forgotten pocket of coins, and pulling out a small, worn silver coin that looks ordinary at first glance. It's dark, maybe a little dirty, the details are faded from years of use, and most people would toss it aside without a second thought. But what if that tiny coin, that dull, old piece of silver, could be worth hundreds, thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars? What if one of the most valuable coins in American history was hiding in plain sight, quietly passing from hand to hand for over a century? Today we are diving into one of the most fascinating coins ever minted in the United States, the 1919 Mercury Dime. A coin surrounded by history, mystery, rare varieties, shocking auction prices, and hidden treasures that collectors are still discovering today. If you have old coins at home, in a jar, a safe, or passed down from family, you absolutely need to watch until the end of this video, because one tiny detail could turn a 10-cent coin into a life-changing payday. Back in the early 20th century, the United States was going through a time of change, innovation, and global conflict. In 1916, the U.S. Mint introduced a brand new coin design that would quickly become one of the most beautiful coins ever produced in American history, the Mercury Dime. The coin was designed by the talented sculptor Adolph A. Weinman, whose artistic style captured the spirit of freedom and progress in America. Although people call it the Mercury Dime, the coin does not actually show the Roman god Mercury. Instead, the portrait on the front represents liberty wearing a winged cap. Those wings symbolized freedom of thought, a powerful message during a time when the world was struggling through the chaos of World War I. The design was so striking that the public immediately fell in love with it, and the coin remained in production from 1916 until 1945. The year 1919 sits right in the middle of a dramatic period in world history. World War I had just ended, economies were shifting, and the United States was emerging as a powerful nation. Coins from this era were heavily circulated, meaning they passed through countless hands in stores, markets, banks, and pockets across the country. Many of those coins became worn down, scratched, or tarnished over time. But hidden among those ordinary coins were rare pieces that collectors today consider some of the most valuable treasures in American numismatics. The 1919 Mercury Dime is one of those coins that can appear ordinary, yet secretly hold incredible value. One of the most exciting things about the 1919 Mercury Dime is that its value can vary dramatically depending on condition, mint location, and rare errors. In the most common circulated condition, a typical 1919 Mercury Dime might be worth anywhere from a few dollars to perhaps $20 or $30. That might not sound exciting at first. But here is where things become truly fascinating. When collectors find high-grade versions of the coin, pieces that survived more than a century with sharp details and minimal wear, the value can skyrocket into the hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But the real magic happens when rare varieties or mint errors are discovered. Some collectors have uncovered extraordinary versions of the 1919 Mercury Dime that sold at auctions for staggering prices. These coins can reach several $1,000s, and in extremely rare cases with exceptional quality or unique characteristics, values can climb into tens of thousands. Imagine discovering that a coin you thought was worth 10 cents could actually be worth the price of a car, or even a house. The mystery surrounding the 1919 Mercury Dime begins with the way coins were produced at the U.S. Mint during that era. Early 20th century coin production relied heavily on mechanical presses, manual die preparation, and human oversight. Because of this process, mistakes were far more common than many people realize. Sometimes dies were misaligned. Sometimes numbers were doubled. Sometimes metal flowed in unexpected ways during the striking process. These small mistakes created rare varieties that collectors now hunt for with incredible passion. One of the most interesting aspects of the 1919 Mercury Dime is the different mint locations where it was produced. In 1919, dimes were struck at 3 major U.S. mint facilities: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Each location produced coins with slightly different characteristics. Philadelphia coins have no mint mark. Denver coins show a small D mint mark on the reverse side near the bottom of the torch. San Francisco coins carry a small S mint mark in the same location. For collectors, these tiny mint marks can make a massive difference in value. Some mintages were far lower than others, and coins from certain mints are significantly harder to find in high quality. The 1919 D and 1919 S Mercury dimes are particularly interesting because they had lower survival rates in high-grade conditions. Many were heavily circulated, which means pristine examples today are incredibly rare. Another feature that makes the Mercury Dime series so exciting is something collectors call full bands. On the reverse side of the coin, you'll see a fasces, a bundle of rods with an axe blade, symbolizing strength and unity. Around the center of the fasces are horizontal bands. On many coins, these bands appear weak or worn because of circulation or imperfect strikes. But when a coin shows completely separated, sharp horizontal bands, collectors call it a full bands example. These coins are much rarer and significantly more valuable. A 1919 Mercury dime with full bands and high mint state condition can sell for thousands of dollars. Some examples graded by professional services like PCGS or NGC have achieved auction prices that shock even experienced collectors. When rarity meets exceptional condition, the results can be dramatic. But the story doesn't end there. Error coins add another layer of mystery and excitement. One fascinating type of error collectors search for is the double die. This occurs when the die used to strike the coin receives a misaligned impression during manufacturing, creating a doubling effect on the design. On certain Mercury dimes, this doubling can appear in the date numbers, lettering, or design elements. If a 1919 Mercury dime were discovered with a strong double die feature, collectors would immediately take notice. Such coins can command massive premiums because of their uniqueness. Even minor doubling can increase the coin's value significantly. Another potential error is the off-center strike. This happens when the coin blank is not perfectly aligned during the striking process, leaving part of the design missing. Off-center Mercury dimes can be extremely collectible, especially if the date remains visible. Depending on the severity of the error, values can jump into the hundreds or thousands of dollars. There are also clipped planchet errors, where a portion of the coin's metal blank was missing before the strike occurred. These unusual shapes instantly capture attention because they look dramatically different from normal coins. A clipped 1919 Mercury dime can easily become a prized item in a collector's display. Collectors also search for repunched mint marks. In the early 1900s, mint marks were punched into coin dies by hand. Sometimes the mint worker accidentally punched the mark more than once, leaving a visible overlapping impression. These repunched mint marks create fascinating varieties that specialists eagerly pursue. One reason the 1919 Mercury dime continues to captivate collectors is its combination of beauty, history, and rarity. The design itself is considered one of the most elegant ever placed on a U.S. coin. Liberty's winged cap, the strong fasces on the reverse, and the classical artistic style give the coin a timeless appearance. Over the years, collectors have paid astonishing prices for exceptional Mercury dimes. High-grade coins graded mint state 67 or higher have sold for tens of thousands of dollars. Certain rare dates within the Mercury Dime series have even crossed into six-figure territory at major auctions. Imagine the excitement of coin collectors when a pristine example appears on the auction block. Bidders from around the world compete, driving the price higher and higher. What started as a simple 10-cent coin becomes the center of an intense battle among collectors determined to own a piece of history. But perhaps the most thrilling part of this story is that these coins still exist in everyday places. Many Mercury dimes spent decades in circulation before people realized their potential value. Some were tucked into jars, hidden in boxes, or passed down through generations without anyone realizing their significance. Even today, coin roll hunters occasionally discover Mercury dimes in bank rolls or old collections. While the chances are small, the possibility always exists that a rare variety or high-grade example is waiting to be found. If you want to check whether you might have a valuable 1919 Mercury dime, there are several things you should look for carefully. First, examine the date and mint mark. Confirm whether your coin is from Philadelphia, Denver, or San Francisco. Next, study the condition. Are the details sharp? Is Liberty's hair visible? Are the wings on the cap clear and well defined? Then turn the coin over and inspect the bands across the fasces. If the horizontal bands appear fully separated and strong, you might have a full bands example, a feature that collectors love. You should also look closely for unusual characteristics such as doubling in the date or letters, off-center strikes, clipped edges, or strange shapes. Any of these could indicate an error coin. You should also look closely for unusual characteristics such as doubling in the date or letters, off-center strikes, clipped edges, or strange shapes. Any of these could indicate an error coin. Using a magnifying glass or coin loupe can help reveal details that aren't visible to the naked eye. Lighting is also important. Sometimes subtle features appear only when the coin is tilted under bright light. If you believe you might have a valuable coin, professional grading services like PCGS or NGC can authenticate and grade it. These companies examine coins under strict standards and assign a grade that helps determine market value. Once a coin is professionally graded, collectors around the world recognize its authenticity and quality. This often leads to higher prices when the coin is sold. Auction houses such as Heritage Auctions have handled many remarkable Mercury Dime sales over the years. Some coins once hidden in old collections have shocked the numismatic world when their true rarity was revealed. Stories like these continue to fuel the excitement of coin collecting. Every old coin carries a story. Every scratch, every mark, every detail represents a journey through history. The 1919 Mercury Dime is more than just a piece of silver. It is a symbol of an era when America was transforming, when art met industry, and when small objects carried immense historical significance. Some coins spent decades traveling through busy cities, quiet towns, and countless pockets. Others were carefully preserved by collectors who understood their importance. And perhaps somewhere right now, in a forgotten drawer or an old family coin jar, another rare 1919 Mercury Dime is waiting to be discovered. That's why collectors around the world remain fascinated by this tiny coin. It reminds us that treasure doesn't always come in large packages. Sometimes it hides in the smallest places, a single dime that once bought a loaf of bread, now potentially worth thousands. So the next time you see an old coin, take a closer look. Examine the date. Study the design. Because you never know, that small piece of silver might hold a secret worth far more than 10 cents. And if you ever find a 1919 Mercury Dime with sharp details, a rare mint mark, beautiful full bands, or an unusual error, you could be holding one of the most exciting discoveries in the world of coin collecting.